these tracks. I'm back with another 2-night solo trip. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do tent or no tent. I put a poll up on my Instagram and it was largely in favor of tent, so here I am with the tent. So I'm just gonna finish pegging the tent in, and then I'm gonna start collecting some firewood and get the fire ready. For lunch, I'm just gonna have some grilled cheese sandwiches with some tomato soup. Oh, that's so good. Shout out to my friend Rob. He's a professional chef. He gave me basically every suggestion for my meals. So shout out Rob, thank you. This is delicious. Hello, bird. Some pasta with the steak. Montreal steak spice, pepper blend, garlic and herb, and some chili flakes for good luck. Oh yeah, she's ready. Wow. This is gonna be nice. Rob, if you're watching this, I just want to say thank you I asked him, what are some good meals to eat outside in the snow? And he just went, bang, 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 bang. I was taking notes like, Rob, can you just slow down? I don't know what you're saying. There's so many things you're listing. But I was able to catch most of it. If any of you want to have a meal at Rob's restaurant, he works at the Aria, downtown Toronto. So go and pay him a visit. Tell him Adventure Lad sent you. And he might give you a discount. Most likely he won't, but he might. It's worth a shot. Thank you, Rob. That's why you can never trust the weather app. So much for no snow today. That's gonna be it for tonight. Good night, everybody. The tomatoes are frozen. Alright, good morning. Last night was brutally cold. Went down to about -17. I slept decent, not the worst, definitely not the best. I think I slept maximum of maybe 2 hours. I'm gonna enjoy this breakfast right now before it gets cold. Beaver took this right off. This right here is an otter track. Was sliding on his belly from up there, slid all the way down, woo, right into the water there. Seems like fun. It's neat here. Looks like some Egyptian hieroglyphs or something. These tracks. Looks like a deer. Oh, that's cozy. Exploration of this forest led me to this beautiful half cave. I might return here in the future for an overnight trip. Alright, that's the product of setting that up. Some cotton balls with Vaseline in there. I think I hiked for 3 hours. Probably like 4.5 to 5 kilometers. It's definitely worth it though. The cave and the mini waterfall were both very beautiful. So I was going to use the washroom and I came across some snowshoe hair tracks leading right to my camp. And it seems there's more than one. Dinner time. Garlic and butter shrimp, garlic butter with lemon. Does that look good or does that look good? I'm so excited. Shrimp are the equivalent of chips to me. What a good day. What a good trip. So peaceful out here. You should be able to hear the snow hitting the tarp. It's supposed to snow about 3 to 4 centimeters between now and the morning. I couldn't have asked for a better day, but I'm pretty pooped. I think in the last 2 days I hiked at least 10 kilometers. First time I did that in the winter with these boots as well. I'm gonna get ready for bed and go to sleep. Good night, everybody. Good morning. When you're in your sleeping bag like this and it's cold, it's really tough to move. I'm gonna get up and start packing up. That about wraps up my trip. I had such a great time. Super thankful for the cooperating weather. No wind, which is always great. Lots of adventure, lots of activities, lots of great food. Everything was truly amazing. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. Take it easy.